All right, guys, this is the 16th question on this challenge. And so far, you've seen that questions on logarithm are very, very easy if you understand the rules of logarithm, right? So how do we even solve this particular problem? How do we simplify it? So let's get started. What is log 49 to the a base 7 minus log 0.01 base 10? Now, you cannot apply the subtraction rule here because they have different base. So that means you want to simplify them individually. Okay, that is no problem. Then how do we even get started? That's the next question you want to ask. So remember, I told you some stuff about logarithm. I said if you want to talk about logarithm, you want to talk about the base. So from here, let's even start. So from this point, I can write this whole logarithm as a log 49 base 7 minus all these guys here, they are the same as log 1 over 100, right? Base 10. Of course, you know 0.01 is the same as 1 over 100 in fraction, right? How do we do that then? You want to write the significant number, which is 1. Then what the decimal places you have here, there are 2. That's why we have 100. If it's 3, we have 1000. You get it? So like, I mean, if I have 0.002, for instance, that would be 2 over 1. How many decimal places do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So that would be 1000. I hope you get this concept. So that's how we have this one. And moving forward, 1 over 100 is the same as 1 over 10 squared, right? And that is the same as what? 10 to the negative 2 in index form, right? Perfect. So this guy is just like log 10 to the negative 2 base 10, right? And here we have a log 49 base 7. Now let's come to this point. Well, let's bring down this other side. So we have log 49 base 7. When this minus 2 comes behind, it becomes plus 2 log 10 base 10. So from here, we are done with the calculation. We are done, right? So this is actually 7 raised to power what will give you 7 raised to power what will give you 49. So all these guys is simply going to be what? Log 49 base 7 is simply 7 raised to the power what will give you 49. That is 2, right? 7 to the power 2 give us 49. That is going to be 2a, because here is going to be 2, so that becomes 2a. I don't know if you're getting this stuff. Then this is log 10 base 10 is going to be what? 1, and 2 times 1 will give us 2. So the answer is 2a plus 2. And that is option D. All right. I don't know. Is this concept very clear? Do you understand it? If you do, please let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.